Welcome to Wee Willy Wonderful's little mini pom-pom video. First we are going to cut a piece of wool, and this is to tie our pom-pom at the end. So we're going to do that first so that it's ready to go. Next, as we're making a mini pom-pom, we're going to wrap our wool around 2 fingers about 40 times. So let's do that. There we go. So I'm going to clip that off just here. And then we're going to remove this very carefully from our fingers, keeping it as straight as we can, and then place it over here. And we're going to tie it double knot very tightly, right as close as we can to the middle. So you can shuffle it slightly if needed. That looks about in the middle. So it's important that you tie it very tightly. If you don't, your pom-pom will come loose after you've made it. So I'm holding it with my finger, and then I'm tying another knot like so, and now I'm going to turn it around and tie it the other side. Careful to move the bits out of the way. So we're tying it around the centre and not catching lots of wool inside it. We're just keeping it around the middle. So I'm going to do it tight. I'm popping a finger on it to hold it while I do a second knot, and then tie it really tightly, like so. Now is the fun bit. We are going to cut through all of the loops, like so. Just cut through all of them, and it's going to look a little bit messy. And you're saying, oh my goodness, that doesn't look like a very good pom-pom. So now is the fun bit. We are going to trim it. So I tend to hold it flat and then go around in a circle like so, making it neat all of the way around. So it's nice and circular shape. Then cut my nail off there. Like so you can see, so it's nice and round like so. There'll be lots of odd ones to cut off. And then when I've done it that way, I turn it over and pull it the other way, because there'll be lots from round and the other side that needs trimming. So we're going to do the same again. We're going to go round in a circle, getting it as nice and round, as neat as we can. Now, some people like a pom-pom that is a little bit dishevelled. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can have it however you want. There we go. Oh, I've managed to cut the thread off. Usually I leave one of those attached, and we use that for sewing it on. And that's a way we can attach another thread when we sew it on. So now I'm going to do is keep fluffing it and turning it around. Oops. And then just cutting. Oh, there's a couple of loops still there. So we'll cut those. So I'm just going to keep turning it around and trimming off any bits that stick out. They're untidy. Now you can keep going at this forever, or you can leave it a little bit dishevelled, whatever you prefer. A few bits stuck out. I quite like mine nice and neat. So, every time you turn it, you'll find another one that's stuck out. Keep going and keep on trimming. So that's looking pretty round now. Just maybe a couple of bits that need doing. That stuck out a little bit more. It's looking pretty neat now. Can keep going forever. And there's our finished pom-pom. Da, da, da. So quick and easy to make and lots of fun. And this is going to be the tail for a little baby bunny, and there will be another video showing the little bunny sewn together. Thanks for watching.